Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. Today we are going to do our Patreon tutorial. Now, just to let you know, the filming that I had on my computer importing it into Cricut into Silhouette messed up, so I'm gonna have to reshoot that at a later date, but I wanted to go ahead and get this up for you. So the supplies that you're gonna need today are your vinyls, which are already cut. We are using the neon coral, rainbow white, neon yellow, neon bellflower, and then regular green and lime green. And this will all come to you with the Patreon kit, or you can purchase it separately on our website. The shirt we are using today is a charcoal black Bellin canvas v-neck slub, which also comes with the kit. You need your Steady Betty, which mine is a 15 by 24 inch. I'm using my 15-inch t-shirt guide, Teflon sheet, Easy Weeding wooden pick, and the Cricut Easy Press, which I have preheating to 330 degrees. So let me go ahead and change the view so we can get started on this tutorial. Okay. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and weed our vinyl. Let me go ahead and move my Steady Betty out of the way to make sure I have enough room. So let's go ahead and get this weeded. Oh, and I'm sorry it's been a while. I was sick with like a summer flu there's my heat press. It is all heated up. For about a week, and then it's just been crazy because it's back to school season, and I'm going to try to keep on our posting schedule, but I make no guarantees. It's kind of crazy around here. Back to school season never stops, it seems like. And this is the Ohana design that is on the Patreon page for the $4 or more a month, and you can also sign up for the $45 a month, which you get the whole kit, which includes the shirt and all of the vinyl, which this kit is a whole lot of vinyl, so it's fun. And all of these colors that I'm using today, this leftover pieces, are in the scrap box, which I will be doing the drawing for the Patreon scrap box on Wednesday. And we will be doing the regular scrap box on Friday. This doesn't really require a whole lot of center weeding because this design has a lot of cutouts for the Ohana word, and the outline on this design is the t-shirt showing through. So it is super duper cute. I love this file. I love anything that has hibiscus flowers, and that's always one of my favorite flowers. I love anything tropical. And Ohana is one of my favorite phrases. We watch Lilo and Stitch too many times to count. That is Cameron's favorite Disney movie. And I figured this would be a cute design because around here it is still extremely hot, and we have a long time left of summer. Around here where we live in Texas, it is pretty much either summer or winter. We only get 2 seasons, it feels like. So go ahead and weed this. And for the splitter, you can take a hole punch and save these pieces left over and take and hole punch out some designs and use it as accent pieces like dots or hearts or whatever. There we go. But for the kit, you get the full sheets, for the glitters, they're 12-inch by 19-inch, and for the regulars, they're 12" by 15", so you get enough to do several designs with. There we go. I don't know about y'all, but I do really enjoy weeding vinyl. It's so relaxing to me. There we go. Okay. Put that back into place. Now we'll go ahead and get started on the shirt. Now first things first, we're going to lay out the Steady Betty. There we go. And we're gonna take and line our t-shirt up at the top. There we go. Now I'm going to take and line my t-shirt alignment guide up center. So as you can see, it is centered with the collar. And we are going to start with our dark green regular vinyl first. And as you can see, we are just folding this in half so that way we know our center. There we go. And since this is a V-neck, I'm pulling it much closer to the top of the neck, which is roughly about a finger down. So there we go. We'll cover it with the Teflon sheet. And we're gonna do this and we don't want to press this for the whole 15 seconds. What I'm wanting to do is get this adhered so that way we can move on to the next layer so our vinyl doesn't change shape. So you see what I'm saying? There we go. Okay. We're gonna fit these pieces in. Because as you can see, this is our background leaf layer. There we go. Now we're going to cover again. And press that just till it's stuck on the shirt. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to move to our purple layer. And there is supposed to be some space between because the outline is supposed to be the black. There we go. Now again, we're just pressing this. Long enough. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to do our coral layer. I need to tighten my screws on my table. It's getting kind of squeaky. There we go. Okay. Now, last but not least, is our yellow layer. Okay. There we go. Now this one we are going to press each section for the full 15 seconds. As you can see, it's quick and easy. Now we're going to move over and do the other side. Okay. There we go. Now give me a minute to change views and I'll show you the completed product. Okie dokie. So look how cute that turned out. Absolutely love all these glitter shades. And I love the way it looks on this charcoal black slub shirt. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I will try to get the other portion of the tutorial reshot and up sometime this week. Remember, we will be doing the scrap box drawing on Wednesday for Patreon and then on Friday for the regular one. I will leave it linked down in the description below so you can comment and get entered to win. Other than that, I think that's it. So don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. But other than that, I think that's it. So thanks, and y'all have a great day.